all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we're going to be working on our Lancaster bomber build. So we are going to do issue 50 of Build the Lancaster Bomber. Bit of a strange one today. So last week we did the tail, wheel, and this week we're actually putting some lights in that we got in the previous issue. So we're doing a bit of wire tidying and bits and pieces. So yeah, I mean it's a step in the right direction, but yeah, seems a bit of a strange one, but there will be method in the madness, as we all know, and things will come to light, as you can see. Anyway, let's get started on this one today. So, with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so we're going to get more or less straight into it. So today in issue 50 we are doing the identification lines. Now we have been sent these here. We're not actually using them this stage, so I've just put them in a bag and marked them for when we need to use them. What we're first going to be doing is we got these from a previous issue. I think they came in the last one. And what we're simply going to be doing is we're going to be putting these onto here. So this is where the sort of wire tidying is going to go. So I want to make sure I've got a little bit of distance there. And it basically just wants us to run these up through this channel. So to hold them in place, I've got my favourite electrical tape. Now it doesn't say actually how much length you have coming out the back, so I'm just doing it as a guide. So it wants us to trace them like that. So as I'm tracing these, I'm just going to put some electrical tape down, just so that I can keep these nice and tidy. Okay, now it does say it wants us to go around these 2 points here. So there they are. I'm going to put a bit of electrical tape there. Then it wants us to sort of, I don't know, strangely enough, do something like that with them. So, in order to keep that shape, I'm literally just going to put some more electrical tape just there. And that should do it. Okay, so they're now in place. Quite a bit of room. I reckon the circuit board for this is going to go here. I think this is where the main circuit board is going to be, because you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 points there, but I could be wrong. Okay, the next thing we need to do is we need to get this here. This is came in this issue, so I'm a bit stickler about electrical tape, making sure it sticks down. I hate it when it comes back up again. Okay, right, so this needs to be placed onto here like so, and then we need to screw that down with 2 FM screws. But I am going to dip the heads of the screws in some 3-in-1 oil. Wow, they are tough to get in, even with 3-in-1 oil. My problem is, that's quite loose. But it's in, which is what they want in. So I might just take this tape off here because it's wanted us to do the kind of the same thing. Like that. I may have to look at them screws off camera because they're just not very tight at all. As you can see, that is moving around, and I don't think it should be like that. Okay, so with that in place and everything running this way, let's see if I can tuck this one up underneath with these, which I can. And that's it. That's all there is to do in this issue. So, yeah, I'm a bit concerned about that moving around. I think I might have to remove that and just sort of file down the hole a bit, just so it'll go in. Might be a bit of overpaint in there, because it is a metal part. But that is all there is to do in this issue. So that is issue 50 complete. Well guys, that's it for issue 50 of the Lancaster Bomber. Thank you for watching. I don't know what's going to be happening with this one because I really cannot predict what we're going to be doing in the next 4 issues. I am now waiting for my next delivery from Harshep with the next 4 issues, so I haven't got a clue. I really don't. It's the build's a bit all over the place. We're doing bits here, bits there, but yeah, I'll have to see how it goes. But it's looking nice so far, and yeah, we're 50 issues in now, so we've only got, what, 90 to go, so happy building. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.